Before reviewing this watch, I didn't know that a quartz watch can look this much luxurious. This is Eniton's latest S1126-R2, which has become my new favorite quartz watch. In this video, I'll be sharing with you everything you need to know about this watch. But before we start, if you're new here, a subscribe would be highly appreciated. There are two models of the S1126, R1 and R2. This one is the R2 with two subdials, while the R1 comes with only 24 hours window. This model is powered by quartz movement, but still it comes with sweeping seconds hand, which adds an extra layer of premiumness on this watch. The movement model is time module VH61, which has great accuracy, and the smoothness of the seconds hand is also amazing. The battery used by the time module VH61 movement is SR920SW with a battery life of approximately 2 years. We have the hours as well as minutes markers inside, and talking about the hands, we get all three hands, the hours, minutes and the seconds hand. It features a pull-out crown key. If you pull it all the way out, you'll be able to set the time, and if you press it once, you'll be able to set the date, as you can see here. Other than the date window, we also have the 24 hours window here, which will move automatically to tell you whether it's AM or PM time as of now. Once done, you can just press it like this and it will go back to its original position. I would have really appreciated if the hands of the subdials were black instead of silver to make them more visible. We also have BGW blue light coating on the hands as well as the markers to make the time easily readable in the dark. Now let's talk a bit about the body. It uses 316L stainless steel frame, and we have both brushed and polished sides. It weighs only 88.6 grams, neither too heavy to make it uncomfortable on the wrist, nor too lightweight to make it look cheaper. Talking about the dimensions, the diameter is 38.5 millimeters excluding the crown key, and lug-to-lug length is 46.1 millimeters. Most of these companies kill the beauty of these watches by making them thicker, but this one is just 8.9 millimeters thick, which makes it look really nice, as you can see here. The crown size is 5.6 millimeters, and I'm not sure if it is visible or not, but it has the Eniton's logo on it. We get 20.9 millimeters white fluoroelastomer straps, and they are really high in quality and also look great with the watch, and the clasp is just so beautifully designed and looks so elegant. The straps are specifically designed for this clasp, so you'll have to cut them to fit the watch on your wrist. And overall, the dimensions are just amazing. Whatever your wrist size is, it's going to look amazing. Finally, talking about waterproofing, it is 5 ATM waterproof, which means it can handle water pressure up to 50 meters of water depth. The screw-down solid case bag also plays an important role in it. In my opinion, if they had added a screw-down crown key, then the water resistance could have been made better. But with 5 ATM water resistance, it works great with a daily routine. It can handle water splashes during the rain or hand washing, and it can also handle shallow swimming. But do remember, it cannot be used for scuba diving and for high pressure water activities. Guys, this will be all from today's video. What did you think about it? To be honest, I've fallen in love with this watch. The overall feel is just amazing, and it has already become my daily wear. If interested in purchasing, I would really appreciate if you can use the link given in the description box below. For the upcoming videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. And to support my work, you can become a channel member. I will see you in the next one.